Welcome to MAQK Knowledge Hub.
Why MCQs? According to research, MCQs are 200% more effective for memory than passive learning. At MAQK Knowledge Hub, we turn facts into fun challenges, so you learn faster and remember longer. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's unlock knowledge.
Test your knowledge for Unit 2, Family and Memories. Now with 20 rapid-fire MCQs, you have got 10 seconds per question. Best of luck. Get ready. What do we call your father's father? Correct answer is grandfather. Which word correctly completes this sentence? I underscore my grandparents last weekend. Correct answer is visited. What is the correct spelling for your mother's sister? Correct answer is a UNT. Which of these is a family tradition? Correct answer is birthday celebrations. What do we call a book where we keep family photographs? Correct answer is album. Which word rhymes with tree? Correct answer is free. What is the plural form of child? Correct answer is children. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? Correct answer is, my brother's name is Ali. What do we call your mother's brother? Correct answer is uncle. Which word means to remember something from the past? Correct answer is recall. What is the opposite of forget? Correct answer is remember. Which of these is not a family member? Correct answer is teacher. What do we call brothers and sisters? Correct answer is siblings. Which word completes this sentence? We underscore at old family photos yesterday. Correct answer is looked. What do we call your father's sister? Correct answer is and. Which of these shows family relationships? Correct answer is family tree. What is the correct way to write about two sisters? Correct answer is the sisters' toys. Which word describes special days we remember every year? Correct answer is anniversaries. What do we call pictures from the past that help us remember? Correct answer is photographs. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Correct answer is she has two brothers.
MAQK Knowledge Hub exists because of you. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next quiz. Smash the like button. It takes 1 second but helps us grow. Share with a friend. Challenge them to beat your score.